So what we need is a couple of supplies first, and we're going to use some wood clamps like this, and I got a roll of Scotch tape or any tape that's non-abrasive. And what you want to do is you're going to want to tape inside here, because this is where the framing is going to go in, and you're going to support it so you don't scratch your lacquer finish or your high polish finish. So we're going to do this carefully. So we're going to take this one here first, and what you should know is that there are 2 screws below here. See that? There's 2 screws that support the L foot. Okay, so we need to support those so you don't pull on the screw when you're doing this method. So I'm going to take this first wood clamp, and I'm going to put it right over the top of here. And I'm going to be just a little bit higher because I need to put this one over here to bypass this bottom side. So I'm going to lock this down like that. And then on this one, same thing. I have the tape on the inside of the jaws, and this is going to fit right over the top here like this. Okay, and you got a good clamp on that. Now you could do this on the floor, on top of a table. I have, as you can see, I have a carpet, and I'm about to bring this down. So I got this as support to support the screws on the back side here, and then I got the foot that I want to bend down so you can lean the screen backwards. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one holding the foot here, and I'm going to bend it down just a little bit. You don't want to overdo this. Pull it like that. Just a little bit. Just that little bit makes the top go a lot back. So you got to do this in several steps. You can't do it all in one shot, because if you overdo this, too much, you're going to get so much of a lean, and then you're going to have a space on the back side here, and you don't want that. So just a small lean.